Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Raw Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in this video, I have come up with two hiring update. First hiring is coming from Thinkitive company. So Thinkitive company has opened the application for trainee software engineer role, and it's a kind of bulk hiring update because company hiring a good number. And for this hiring, you will receive exam mail also. I will explain you each and everything in detail. But before that, do like this video, subscribe this channel, and also join Telegram and the WhatsApp group so that you will not miss any kind of hiring update. Now let's discuss in detail about this hiring. The first hiring is coming from Thinkitive. So currently, company is hiring for trainee software engineer role, and it's a kind of technical job. So coding is compulsory for this position. You must have knowledge about any one of the programming language. It may be C++, C language, Java language, Python language. And apart from this, you must have knowledge about front end and back end technology. Company has already mentioned in the requirement section. You can check out over here. If you have a good understanding about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, then this hiring is for you. You can apply for this hiring. And for this hiring, company is offering you up to 3.4 LPA. Company has not mentioned, but yes, company usually pay this much amount. And I know that's why I'm telling you, you will receive up to 3.4 LPA salary for this particular role. And for this hiring, company has not mentioned any specific degree or branch. So you have done any technical degree, for example, BTech, MEM, MC, MSc, BCA, BSc, and you have a good knowledge of coding, then you can apply for this hiring. If you're interested, just click on apply now option, and you have to fill this Google form. You have to enter your like full name, email ID, phone number, current company. If you are a fresher, then put any. Otherwise, you can mention your experience. Otherwise, you can mention your company name. And apart from this, all our basic details you can check out. And once you complete your application, and if you get shortlisted, then you will receive next round will, and next round will be an online exam. Then after that, you have to face two round of interview. Then only you will get a job with Thinkitive company for this particular role. So this is your first hiring update. Move to second hiring update, which is coming from Volvo company. So Volvo company currently hiring for graduate trainee role. Talking about the qualification for this role, so company has mentioned if you are a fresh graduate with the degree of BTech in CSIT branch with 60% marks, then you are eligible for this hiring, and only two passing batch eligible. First one is 24, second is 25. So if you belong from these degree branches and passing batch, then this hiring is for you. You can apply for this hiring, and this is a kind of technical job. So if you have basic understanding more Power BI or Power Platform, that's a plus point for you. Company has already mentioned. You can check out over here. So if you're interested, just click on apply now option, complete your application. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. And if you found this video helpful, do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.